Hello, Mazda lovers in cartoon form. This is a really weird one. I got one of these in this box before, but it didn't have the labeling down here. I assumed this thing it came with like an humidifier, a, an, a well something that sucks humidity out of the air, or maybe it was a deodorizer. But I took Google Translate to this thing, and this word reads shampoo. So, as in cleaning your hair. So this is a Choro-Q that comes with a really unergonomic bottle of shampoo. Who would have guessed? It says it's from 2002, so I don't think I'm going to be using this shampoo unless I want to get some sort of scalp cancer or something like that. But anyways, let's take this off this thing. I don't even understand why someone would keep this for, almost 20 years. Right? Why wouldn't you just keep this? Anyways, that's going right into the trash. Alright. So, I guess I don't need this either. Okay, so the RX8. I pulled up an image of what looks like maybe an early one, a stock one. Maybe I didn't pull up the right image because there's something weird going on here that I don't see there. Oh well. At least it's got the side vent and stuff. It's got some 5 spokes. Here's a side view for the foreshortening, although this one looks like it has an aero kit of some sort. And then this looks like maybe a stock one from Mazda's press or something. It does have the 2 exhaust tips sticking out the back there. And the red taillight there, so that's not bad. It's missing the 3rd brake light though. Alright, let's see what else is going on here with this shampoo car. So yeah, it's kind of weird, to just write RX8 Mazda rotary. And then it's got your standard chrome 5 spokes from ChoroQ. This I can't say I've ever seen on an RX8, but then again, I'm not an RX8 aficionado. If you guys have seen this before, please leave a comment. This thing here. Black paint and all the vents, very smooth, very shiny black paint. Almost makes me think it's a sticker. And then I've never seen an RX8 with crazy stripes like this. And then also, again, why would it say RX8 there instead of having like a Mazda badge there? It's weird. Silver headlights, a little power bulge, and then the roof is fine. It does have the little doming here on the roof. It's very subtle, but yeah, there's a bump here and a bump here. So this side here looks the same. The taillights, yeah, printed nicely, and then it's nice to see a little silver ring around that exhaust tip. So that's pretty neat. So totally blank thing here. You would think they would be promoting that shampoo brand or something, like with a sticker there. 2001, yeah, this is quite old. HG, I think high grade. And then I think this whole body is smoked dark plastic, and then it's all painted yellow. Because you can see the canopy here, right? It's trying to hide the motor from the top view, although you can still see it. Okay, well, definitely, like I said, an interesting one. I just don't have any RX8s, so I figured I'd get this. I don't even have a 1/64 scale RX8. Eventually I'll probably get one, but I just haven't seen a nice enough one that I want yet. Okay, so. But I do have plenty of RX7s. Here's an RX7 done by Kyosho, and it's from the Initial D set, so it's got the Red Suns livery from some sort of drift team in the Initial D franchise. Coincidentally, it also has chrome 5 spokes. Here's the foreshortening view, top down. Granted, they're different RX7 versus RX8, but it's the best I can do today. So let's get this out of here and pull up some ChoroQs. Well, you know what? I'm just going to leave this up here because I have the ChoroQ Red Suns. So if you want to compare those two. Alrighty. Alright, now let's get this out of here. And I got another RX7 here from the Jay's Tipo set. And then I have this Le Mans racer in Mazda 252i. It's a silhouette racer based on the 1st generation RX7. Okay. down. Alright, so that's it for those comparisons. Let's get this guy spinning on its own. And this time with the minion being yellow. Alright, well, another weird part of collecting toy cars. You know, this is probably the weirdest one yet, where I've seen it come with shampoo. But hey, I guess, you know, if some some shampoo company actually packaged Choro-Qs where I live, I would buy that shampoo. I would pretty much buy anything. If you want to sell a gallon of milk and throw in a Choro-Q, I'll drink your milk. You know, so I guess it works if you're trying to push something to give some sort of free toy, right? What do you guys think about that? I'm down with it. Alright guys, well, until another weird scenario occurs, I'll be seeing you. Bye.